Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you join us today. We're diving into the world of license plate covers and frames, and I'm excited to share our countdown of the top-selling products on Amazon. These covers and frames are not just about style, they offer protection and personalization for your vehicle. So without further ado, let's get started and discover which license plate covers and frames are capturing the most attention and driving the most sales. Number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling license plate covers and frames on Amazon is the Silicone license plate frames, a true game-changer in vehicle customization. Picture this, a sleek black frame that doesn't just blend in, but stands out in its own unique way. With the Silicone license plate frame, you get a perfect fit for any standard U.S. license plate. Measuring 12.30 by 6.30 inches, it ensures that no crucial information on your plate is ever obstructed. Drive confidently, knowing that your plate remains clear and legible at all times. What sets this frame apart is its superior construction. Made from industrial-grade silicone, it defies the usual wear and tear. Rust-proof, rattle-proof, and weatherproof, this frame tackles everything from scratches to extreme weather conditions with ease. Say goodbye to the rust and fading that plague traditional metal frames. And let's talk design. The innovative side opening feature not only adds a touch of modernity, but also prioritizes your convenience. Reinforced corners and side openings mean you can insert your license plate effortlessly, avoiding any potential injuries or damage to your car's surface. It's a simple yet sophisticated solution. Installation? It's a breeze. The frame comes complete with 8 screw caps, 8 stainless hex nuts, 4 stainless tapping screws, and 4 stainless panhead screws. Note for Tesla owners, Tesla-specific screws are required. But for everyone else, just slot the plate into the frame, align it, and secure it with the provided hardware, and it doesn't end there. This frame boasts a fashionable design with 4 reinforced round corners, combining style with functionality. The added drain holes and upgraded vents ensure that water doesn't linger, preventing rust and keeping your plate pristine. Elevate your vehicle's look and functionality with the Silicone license plate frames, where innovation meets style. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown of top-selling license plate covers and frames is the Bling license plate frame for women, a dazzling choice that adds a touch of sparkle to your ride. Imagine transforming your vehicle into a showstopper with over 1,200 exquisitely crafted 14-facet glass rhinestone crystals. This frame, studded with clear glass diamonds, is not just about looks, it's about quality. The stainless steel base ensures durability, while the edge is ground smooth to protect your car's paint from scratches. And for an extra touch of bling, you'll receive free AASS 16 rhinestones, perfect for a little DIY sparkle enhancement. This frame isn't just a treat for yourself, it's also the perfect gift. Packaged in a premium gift box, it's an ultra-glamorous choice for any occasion. Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, or even the New Year. Show your loved ones just how special they are with this sparkling accessory. Designed to fit all standard-size novelty license plates in both the USA and Canada, this frame adheres to American and Canadian standards, ensuring that it won't obstruct your registration label. Installation is a breeze with the included anti-theft screws and tools, making it easy to add a bit of sparkle to your vehicle. At Bling, we stand by our promise of top-notch quality. Our friendly customer service is available 24/7, and we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Add some sparkle to your drive with the Bling license plate frame for women, where elegance meets practicality. At number 3, in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling license plate covers and frames on Amazon, is the Silicone Premium Matte Black license plate frames, a sleek, solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's appearance. Imagine a license plate frame that not only looks stunning but also performs exceptionally. This set of 2 upgraded matte black frames, measuring 12.25 by 6.25 inches, fits all standard U.S. license plates with precision. The narrow border design ensures that no state name or status label is obscured, keeping your plate fully visible and compliant. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, these frames are built to last. Rust-proof and weather-resistant, they defy the elements, offering durability that won't fade or corrode over time. With rounded edges, you can rest easy knowing that your car's paint job remains scratch-free. But it doesn't stop there. These frames make for an ideal gift, perfect for any occasion, whether it's Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, birthdays, anniversaries, Christmas, or New Year's. They're a thoughtful choice for both men and women, friends and family. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Each frame comes with a complete screw cap kit, making it easy to secure your plate and cover any unsightly hardware. What's included? You get 2 premium license plate frames, 4 machine screws, 4 washers, 4 screw caps, and a detailed specification guide. Plus, we offer a lifetime warranty and a 60-day refund or replacement policy. Because your satisfaction is our top priority. Elevate your vehicle's look with the Langnoit Premium Matte Black license plate frames, where durability meets elegance. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling license plate covers and frames on Amazon? If so, don't let your enthusiasm drive off without hitting that like button and subscribing. Press the bell icon so you never miss the latest and greatest in car accessories. Coming in at number 2 on our list of top-selling license plate covers and frames on Amazon is the license plate screws with rust-proof finish, a must-have for ensuring your license plate stays securely in place. Imagine never having to worry about a loose license plate again. Whether you're tackling your daily commute or embarking on a grand road trip, these durable screws are designed to keep your front and rear plates firmly attached. Designed with high vehicle compatibility in mind, these screws fit most domestic vehicles equipped with nylon screw retainers. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, motorcycle, or RV, these fasteners have you covered. Just a note, they're not suitable for metal-threaded holes. Elevate the look of your ride with a choice of finishes. Available in stainless steel, chrome, or sleek black, this 4-pack allows you to customize your vehicle's appearance down to the finest detail. Your car will stand out with a personalized touch that matches your style. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel with a rust-proof finish, these screws are built to last. Say goodbye to unsightly rust lines or tarnished caps. These precision-made bolts are designed to endure the life of your vehicle. Installation is a breeze. Simply use a standard screwdriver. No special tools or drills required. This straightforward process makes these screws perfect for both first-time car buyers and seasoned drivers alike. Secure your plates and personalize your vehicle with the license plate screws with rust-proof finish. Where functionality meets style, your ride will be road-ready and polished to perfection. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is the Aujin Silicone Black license plate frames, a superior choice for anyone seeking the ultimate in durability and style. These frames aren't just another accessory, they're a game changer. Crafted from high-quality silicone, they deliver unmatched protection for your license plates. Unlike plastic frames that may degrade over time, these black silicone frames stand strong against rust and damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. Engineered for resilience, these frames are rust-proof, rattle-proof, and weather-proof. The industrial-grade silicone construction features a soft, flexible surface that eliminates scratches and rattles. Rain or shine, these frames will withstand the elements without showing signs of wear. Thoughtful design features set the Aujin frames apart. With 3 drainage holes, they effectively release water, preventing any potential damage. The matte black finish maintains its sleek appearance without discoloration or rust, enhancing the frame's look with use. Plus, they're totally street legal. These frames are designed with zero obstruction of your license plate or stickers, so you can drive confidently without the worry of legal trouble or getting stopped by the authorities. And of course, Aujin stands by their product. Their service team is committed to resolving any quality issues and ensuring a worry-free purchase. If you encounter any problems, their responsive support team is ready to assist. Elevate your vehicle with the Silicone black license plate frames, where top-tier durability meets sophisticated design, making it the #1 choice for your car's license plate needs. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling license plate covers and frames on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.